Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a mechanism, the curved arrow formalism, in mastering chemistry where we have an acid-base reaction where a pi bond is acting as the nucleophile or as the Lewis base. So this is similar to what we've done before where we have a lone pair initiating the attack, just with one extra step. So as always, I want you to draw out the mechanism on paper first and then try to translate what you have on paper to the mastering chemistry interface. So we've got two curved arrows here. So we're going to start by clicking on the electron flow double arrow button. Click and drag from our pi bond to the proton that it's attacking. And you'll notice it adds in this dotted line here. So this dotted line is showing that we're essentially bouncing the electrons up to that top sp2 carbon and then attacking the proton. So from our mechanism that we did by hand here, you see we want to do the opposite. We want to bounce the electrons down. Remember, we always want to form the most stable carbocation, and that secondary carbocation can only be formed by bouncing the electrons down first. Okay, so to fix this, with the electron flow button still activated, we're going to click on this double arrow. And every time we click, it's going to cycle through which carbon it's bouncing the electrons down to. So now it shows that we're bouncing the electrons down to that bottom sp2 carbon, which is what we want, attacking that proton, and that's going to form the most substituted carbocation. Okay, we have one other curved arrow. We have to show that it's only attacking the proton. The electrons, they are staying with the oxygen. So we're going to draw a curved arrow starting from the bond between the O and the H, going to the O. And that should be everything. So let's go down, hit submit. And that's how you draw a reaction mechanism where the attack is initiated from a pi bond. And as you can see, how I previously had an incorrect answer is not completely intuitive. It took me a couple tries to figure out how to do this with the interface.